What's going on, guys? Marc Guberti here. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 different ways to get new clients. For any business owner, you want to get more customers, you want to get more clients because that is the revenue you need for your business to keep on operating. And when you get the right clients, you're able to better serve them. So this video will have those 3 different strategies. We'll get into the first strategy right now is to get clear on what your funnel looks like. What is the page you lead people to that builds a relationship further that leads to someone becoming a client. So how, for instance, do you get people to schedule that strategy call with you? Some people, they just have the link to the strategy call like what I do in the description of this video. Other people, they have an opt-in page. You get the person's email address, you build a relationship, and then you present your services at a later time. So you can actually do both of these simultaneously, but it's good to first have the strategy call link because some people may just want to hire you right away and they just want to call to confirm. And the second thing, having the opt-in page that gives you the ability to run ads. It gives you a page to promote in your content to your email list so that you are able to get clients for your business. The second strategy to get more clients is to participate in Facebook groups. So there are a lot of Facebook groups that have thousands or even tens of thousands of members that are in your industry. And the great thing about these groups is that they have the audience right there waiting for you. It's great to build your own audience. I'm a big advocate. You got to build your own platform. But why not engage in a group that automatically has 10,000 people waiting inside for you to give the value? So when you do engage in these posts, reply to people's posts, engage in the comments, and put out your own post, sharing some of your wins, sharing some value. Just make sure you go by the rules of the group. Like most groups, they won't let you post a link, anything of the nature of schedule a strategy call or the free opt-in. So you do want to make sure you are abiding to the group's rules, but Facebook groups are certainly a great way to grow your business. We even have one over at the Breakthrough Success Facebook group. For anyone who's interested, we will throw that link in the description. And the third strategy for getting more clients is to create more content on more algorithm-based platforms. So a place like YouTube, you can get people who have no idea who you are to come across your content. And it is great to have your own blog, your own platform. But with something like YouTube or an Instagram or a Facebook or a Pinterest, there is discoverability. And you are getting a greater shot at discoverability just by creating content. Now, there is keyword optimization involved. There's using the right hashtags on Instagram. But when you are creating content on all these different places, you get the algorithm uptick in traffic. And then if you use the bridges strategy, which I talk about more in detail in the Content Marketing Plaza, then you are able to accelerate the traffic on all of your platforms. Pretty much a summary of that strategy. You have YouTube, you have Instagram, you use YouTube to promote your Instagram, use Instagram to promote your YouTube. All that cross-promoting helps you get more traffic, more exposure, more boosts in all of those algorithms. And the more all these boosts take place, the more you're going to grow. A lot of the people who end up scheduling a strategy call with me and becoming a client, they do that because they see me everywhere. They see me on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. They see me on all these platforms. They see me emailing often. They see me continuously coming out with new content. So if you just show up everywhere in front of your potential prospects, that is going to be a great way for you to get more clients. And if you are looking for a further analysis on not just ways to get clients, but using content marketing to gain visibility and revenue, we do have the Content Marketing Plaza. We will throw a link in the description. It's very helpful for people who do want to make 6 figures with their content. So signing off, dream big, achieve greatness, and unlock your potential today.